Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show with you how to clean the filter for the dryer, LG dryer. And first I show you the model of the dryer. So we are using, when you open the door, you can look up at the top right corner. And this is the model of the dryer we are using. I'm not sure if you can see, but it is model DLE7000W. Next to it is the serial number and a barcode so that you can connect the ThinQ app on the phone to this dryer. So you can do some troubleshooting or the status on the dryer. Like it say here, Smart Diagnose. This is new dryer that we bought a couple weeks ago. So you can see that inside is pretty clean and new. And to clean the filter, you can look up at the bottom of the door right here. So having the filter right here, and you can pull it up and you can see it pretty dirty. And this is only after 2 or 3 times we use the filter. So it is very good practice that we do the filter cleaning after every load, the using of the dryer. This is very easy to clean. So what I normally do is I put it inside a bag. It could be a paper bag or plastic bag or box. I just want to make the dirt go inside the bag. And then it's very easy to clean it just using the hand and just trying to make all of the thing right here. This is when the dryer working, it makes those dirt so you can easy to clean it, something like that. This is also can do single hand operation, and you clean on the screen right here and also on the edge. It can be clean as well. So that's it, and you can throw this back. And now the filter is clean. You can bring it back to the dryer. So I bring back the clean filter to dryer, and then you can see that on the filter they have the text clean filter. So that is the direction to put the filter back to the dryer. So put it back. So that's it. That is very easy step to clean the filter for the dryer. And I'm using the dryer is LG DLE7000W. But I think it's gonna be the same for other LG dryer model as well. You just open the door, pull up the filter where you can read the text clean filter, clean it, and then you're good to go. It's now ready for start using and drying your clothes. Thank you for the watching. Bye.
Nếu các bạn thấy hay, các bạn hãy nhấn nút like, thích và subscribe, đăng ký để ủng hộ EasyTech Class nha. Cảm ơn các bạn nhiều.